is it possible that dead people are in the draft list and living people are on the deleted list?
From left to TMC, from AAP to Congress, firmly believe that the CEC has forfeited his right to be in that constitutional position.
And as far as we, the opposition parties, are concerned, we will resort to all legal remedy as well as the parliamentary apparatus to solve this issue.
The Election Commission is once again at the center of a storm. On Monday, leaders of 8 opposition parties accused Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar of acting like a BJP spokesperson after he failed to answer their questions on the revision of voter rolls in Bihar. At a joint press conference, the Congress, Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party, DMK, RJD, and others hit out at the CEC, saying instead of addressing concerns over the special intensive revision of electoral rolls, he chose to attack political parties. Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi said the right to vote is the most important right guaranteed by the Constitution and that the Election Commission's duty is to protect it. But he claimed the CEC ran away from answering key questions like why the revision was being done in such a hurry, barely 3 months before elections in Bihar and without consultation with political parties.
और इसीलिए साफ-साफ जाहिर होता है कि अब चुनाव आयोग ऐसे कुछ अफसरों के कमान में हैं जो निष्पक्ष नहीं, साफ-साफ एक पक्ष लेते हैं और इसीलिए ऐसे अफसर कोई भी इंक्वायरी या जांच के खिलाफ है। वोटर फ्रॉड में अगर कोई इंक्वायरी हो उसके खिलाफ है और इसीलिए उनको लगता है कि बड़ी-बड़ी बातों करके वो राजनीतिक दलों को डराएंगे। हम बस उन्हें इतना ही कहना चाहते हैं कि अफसर आएंगे, अफसर जाएंगे, लेकिन जैसे हमारे आदरणीय खड़गे जी ने कहा आज सुबह, सदन हमेशा रहेगा।
Samajwadi Party's Ram Gopal Yadav recalled that his party had earlier submitted affidavits about 18,000 names being removed from voter lists in Uttar Pradesh in 2022, but no action was taken. Now, he said the EC was even demanding affidavits from Rahul Gandhi to pursue his complaints. Trinamool's Mahua Moitra went further, asking if the voter list used in the last general election itself was flawed. If that was the case, she argued, the current Lok Sabha should be dissolved and former election commissioners held accountable.
How is it possible that dead people are in the draft list and living people are on the deleted list? How can a dead person be on a draft list? It can only happen because the BLOs were signing the form themselves. Yesterday, the CEC said out of 65 lakh voters, only 28,370 have filed claims and objections. You mean to tell me only 0.4% of those deleted have filed claims and objections? Does that figure of 0.4% not tell you how ridiculous and how riddled with faults this entire exercise is?
RJD's Manoj Jha said the opposition had been searching for the Chief Election Commissioner, but instead found, in his words, and I quote, a new BJP spokesperson. Shiv Sena's Arvind Sawant echoed the same charge. The Election Commission has rejected these accusations. On Sunday, CEC Gyanesh Kumar defended the Bihar voter roll revision, saying it is aimed at removing shortcomings in the lists and ensuring greater transparency. He dismissed allegations of double voting and voter fraud as baseless and accused some parties of spreading misinformation. As Bihar heads into a crucial election, the clash between the Election Commission and the opposition shows no sign of cooling down.